This is the part 21 thermostat. For the Mr. Slim model, how to activate that, how to change the sensor. So how to change the room temperature sensor from the indoor to thermostat, because there is a thermostat also have one sensor. So we can activate either this thermostat sensor or indoor sensor. For the thermostat sensor, if you want to activate, you need to change the setting. This is for the Mr. Slim model only. First, switch off the indoor unit. Then you press the filter and test button both, like 2 or 3 seconds continuously. Once you press, so it will come function selection. So now you need to press timer clock button. So make it 00 here for the refrigerant address. Then you press this timer on off button, so it will blink next digit. So here also you make 00. Here it's the refrigerant address 0000. Make 00. Maybe refrigerant address is 1, so you need to make 1. For the default Mr. Slim model, we are normal setting is 00. So make sure here 0000. Then you press this back button. So it will blink 4 digit. After that it will blink here. So here you have to make 02 by pressing this temperature button until become 02. Press again. So it will come 02. Then after that you press this timer menu button, so it will blink next. After it will come next digit. So here you need to make 3 by pressing this temperature button. It will come 3. So make sure 023. That means this is the temperature sensor. It will activate it from thermostat. So once you press made 023, then press the back button, so it will blink 3 digit. So blinking after, you press this filter and test button both again same time. So then it will go back to press properly. So after that it will go back to normal screen. So once you press, so that symbol will be come here. You can see here this thermostat, here this temperature sensor. If this symbol is came, then now the temperature sensor is activated from thermostat. So this symbol should have to come. This is the meaning, this sensor is activated from here. So that's it. If you don't want that this sensor, if you don't want, again you need to go back to the indoor sensor. Again you press this switch off the indoor. Again press this filter and test button both same time. So again it will go to the function selection. Now after this, press this timer and clock button again. So make here what our refrigerant address before you given. Make 00. Again 00. Then press back button, so it will blink all. Then it will blinking here. Here you make sure 02. After that press the timer menu button. It will now 3 is there. 023 means it will activated. We need to make 1 for the deactivation. So once you make 021, that will then it will the sensor will be activated again to the indoor unit. So make sure 021. So after that press this mode button again. So it will blink 3 digit. So after that press this filter and test button both same time, 2 or 3 seconds again. So normal screen is there. So now we can see. So the symbol now it is disappeared. This is the cancel. If you don't want this thermostat sensor, want to sensor how to work from the indoor unit only. So this is the procedure how to cancel again. That's it.